Hey there, here's how to connect your LG TV with WebOS 25 to your Wi-Fi. Start by pressing the settings button. Then use the directional pad to go to the very top and across to the Wi-Fi icon. Hit enter here. Go down to Wi-Fi connection. And just here, make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled. And as you look down this list, you may see your network listed twice. You can see mine has a 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz connection. Both of them work, so you can connect to either. 5G is often less busy, meaning a better connection. So let's use 5G. Now enter the password. With the password entered, go to enter and click OK. Give it a few seconds, come away from that internet and you'll see a tick next to your internet connection. Now, if we come out by pressing the home button, we can press settings once more, go to the top using the directional pad, across to the Wi-Fi icon, and you can see that it's now connected. So you'll now be able to use YouTube, Disney, Apple TV, and any of the other TV services that you wish on your LG Smart TV. I hope it's been useful. Please check out my channel for more LG TV tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.